alone, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to, and you're welcome. So today we're going to cook this delicious chicken. It's a Kenyan chicken, and so I'm just boiling it first with some ginger and garlic. Ginger is not a lot, but I'm adding a lot of garlic and spices, so, and some salt. I've also added some bay leaf just to add more flavor to it, curry powder and paprika too. I love paprika in my food, so paprika will also give it a beautiful color. So I added paprika there, and I'm adding a lot of water since I want to have that chicken broth later after it has boiled. So here it is, it's boiling, it's really doing well. So it didn't take by them much time. I've realized that there's difference between the chicken in Ushago and the chicken in town. Like the Kenyan chicken is just different. This one cooks very fast, but then the Ushago one takes a long time to cook. The other time I cooked it in a pressure cooker and it really disappointed me because it cooked like it was so soft and you couldn't even enjoy the deliciousness of the Kenyan chicken. So I've just removed the broth and put it away, and so I'll use that for cooking and also keep it away for rice and maybe if I want to make soup. So I'm just dividing this meat because it's a lot. It was a whole chicken and you're not going to eat a whole chicken today, so just add a little, use some and then keep some. So this one is just a simple Kenyan chicken. I'm going to use onions and some tomatoes for this chicken. So I've diced my onions into small pieces, and then here's my chicken. It was already, like, I just put it to kind of dry in the pot, but not too dry. So I'm using this oil from the chicken. When you cook chicken, Kenyan chicken, and then the oil, like it has a lot of oil, so it just comes out. So that's the oil I'm using. I'm not going to add any oil in it because even if I was to let this water to dry up completely, I would have had that oil too. So I'm not going to add more oil in it. I'm just going to use that. So here is my tomatoes, just cutting them into pieces, those small cubes, cubes. Sometimes you just want to cook with, usually I just blend my tomatoes and then like freeze, but then sometimes you just need fresh tomatoes and just to have that feeling of having wet fried chicken. It's usually so good with fresh tomatoes that have just been diced, and you just put it in there and then let it sweat, let it cook until it's very soft, like the tomatoes have softened. That's what I intend to do. So the onions have like sweat. They're not like golden brown, but they have cooked. So I've added some tomato paste. This tomato paste is just to add some flavor and some color. You just want your food to kind of appear concentrated with tomatoes. So that's what I've done there. And then after that, I'll add the tomatoes and just let it cook, and let's keep watching. So guys, now this chicken is ready, and what I'm going to do is just add the coriander. And this coriander, I'm not going to like cook it. I'm just going to let it cook with the steam from this delicious chicken. So from this point, like after I've mixed the coriander with the chicken, all I need to do is just cover it so that it can cook with the steam, and yeah, serve it later. I'm already salivating because this was so good. I really loved it. Let's just see the outcome. It's really good. And yeah, if you want the one with the soup, like the stew one, you can also add the broth that I have over there. So here is the final result. We have the ugali, we have the spinach, cooked it with spinach, and here is the chicken. Looks so good, and it's very delicious. I really loved it, and I just enjoyed having this meal, and it was so good. So guys, I hope you've like learned how to cook this delicious chicken wet fry. Yeah, and you'll try it soon and let me know how it tastes, because I'm sure it will be really good and you will love it. Thanks so much for watching, and let's meet in another video. Bye for now. Yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this awesome channel. Yeah, kindly subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you are watching, a lot of you just watch but never subscribe, but it's okay. You can always learn one or two things, but it's also important to subscribe. Yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.